Hello everyone, good morning. Today is May 26th and I'm here again in my veranda area. So last time I shared with you an update on this first stainless rack. So I haven't replaced the green smells that died here and also the agavoid. So I just had to stay there first because it's so hot here. I cannot work on my veranda area during the day. So time check is 6 a.m. and the sun is not, it's actually up but behind the clouds. So for today's video, I would like to give an update on this second stainless rock that we have. So let's start on the very top. So I still have here my agavoid. So this is Romeo and another Romeo. So there are dry leaves. I'll be going to remove it later. Then this agavoid, I'm not so sure of the ID, but I think it's Bloody Maria. It came from my garage area, so I just transfer it here to fill up the rock. And then I have here Ebony. Yeah, comes from my garage area too. Then I have here my lipstick. Then we have our Gaia and our two pots of Romeo Rubin. Ah, no. It's Beyonce, but look how dehydrated it is. It has roots already, but I haven't given them water because I'm afraid it might get rotten because of the high humidity we have here in our area. So in my last vlog, I mentioned there that the humidity here in the Silang Cavite, in my area particularly, is about 70% to 90%, which is very high. That the succulent doesn't like high humidity at all. So that's why they tend to have fungus and they die. So beside our Gaia, we have our Love and Bar. Then we have our Bloody Cherry. So these two pots, our Scorpion, died. Actually, I was able to save some rosette or one the topmost rosette. So this is our scorpion. I am trying to make it recover, and hopefully we can save it. So that is there's no roots yet. See, look what happened, and it is very dehydrated. Look how pretty this one. This is Choco Moonstone. My propagation of Choco Moonstone. That's a very cute color. Anyway, let's go back to my topic. So we have here our, oh no, I forgot the Aquarius, yeah. Then we have our pine rose. Then beside our pine rose, we have our far pillar. And then we have our Valentine, our red witch. So our variegated saticillate is able to survive because before it was really close and very dehydrated. For this one, I do not know the ID as well as this one. So this is our dancing bird. I was able to cut the stem of this one, because it got mushy too. So it has an offset, so there's no roots. I just take it there. And then we have our cat glow, which is very dehydrated too. And then another cat glow. So we have our red lantern and our black bullet. So there are two pots that's empty. I haven't replaced it, but I have propagation in my garage area, but not yet well rooted. So these succulents that you are looking right now in the topmost part of my veranda area, on my of my stainless rock, I mean, was purchased last April. This is the last batch that I bought. I think April 10 when I received it. April 9 when I received it. And April 10 when I bought it. Yeah. So I was able to maintain some of the colors, but as you can see nowadays, doesn't really look so good. Though some look so good, just like the Valentine, Fire Pillar, Red Lantern. I mean Red Lantern and the Reddish. But for the others, they're very dehydrated and some are having locklets already. So after taking my video or making this vlog, I'm going to remove the dried list. So for the meantime, let's just go on. So this one is the second layer of the sameness rock. We have our dwarf shade, our missing you, our Hera. Then we have two pots of Ava Beauty, our Ruby Donna, yeah. And look how big is our clumping missing you already. And this one, I'm not so sure of the ID, but it has lots of babies. So this is our Japanese ruby, very dehydrated, and I'm trying to propagate it through leaf propagation. Then we have our TP, our Nana Hokomini, our kisses. Then we have three pots of our Bene Musume. Although it's very dry to look at, it has still the stress color. In front, we have our Dionysius. This one, not so sure of the ID, but it's so pretty in color. This one is our Bloody Maria. Then this one, I think, is Agavoy Blush. Then we have our Dark Eyes, and I think there's Millabug. So let me get even the inner rosette have. So let me get the alcohol first. So I'm back. This is my alcohol, the one I'm using to treat the pests here in my succulent garden. So I do not use any insecticides or pesticide. I just use isopropyl alcohol. It's 70% isopropyl alcohol. So this is how I treat it. So beside it is we have our Hercules, then our Bianca, two pots or propagation of our Bianca. We have our Hawartia. I think this is Retusa. And then we have our pots, pink, two pots. And then another pot of Alba Beauty and another pot of Alba Beauty. We have our Jewel Tone, our Bianca, yeah, and this is the red blush. So this is what we have on our second layer. They are dehydrated, but I think they are fine. Not there's no so much dried lips on them, except on the topmost layer of the rock. So there are more dried leaves on the first layer, and but for our hair there are lots. So I'm going to remove it later. So on the third layer, we have our beautiful arze. Look how pretty is the color of our arze. So pretty. And we have our winter jasmine. Look how pretty. And then we have our beauty lily, our Bianca, then our beauty lily. Then we have our Romeo Rubin. Still have the stress color and so pretty. We have our Titi, another Bianca, pink puppet, and this one is also our pink puppet. So before, I have only one pot of pink puppet. It was a gift from my friend, Sis Jeremy Hermano. Sis Jeremy, thank you. Now I have lots, I think 3 or 4 pots of pink puppet. I propagated it. Then we have our Laon and our Missing You. Then we have our Far Store. So I think there's Millibug. There. See, let's spray alcohol again. So mealybugs and fungus are in my garden now. So this is my by Nessie. Then we have our Queen Violet, our Hera. This is Chloe actually, and this is our Nana Hokomini. We have our Hakoho. Actually, there are two pots. Then we have our Orange Monroe. This one I'm not so sure of the ID. And look how lush is our Pink Pocket here. And then we have our Domitius. So what's this white thing? I bet not smell at all, but I want to spray alcohol to make sure. So that's it. And then we have our pink Tinkerbell and our cream puff. Look how tub is our cream puff. But I really love the color of the RC. It's different from the other RC. Let's see the other RC. So this is our RC. It quite have different color from the small one. So this is the one we repotted before. Yeah, so let's go back there. So there are some dried leaves, but not as much on the first layer too. So pretty. So this is what you can see on our third layer of our stainless rock. So I have two stainless rock, though my last vlog, last Monday. If you haven't watched it, please do watch it. It's the first one that I have shared this week as an update. Yeah. So let's go on the fourth layer. So this is our Robin and it's not looking good. I don't know what happened. It doesn't rain, but the inner set was damaged. What happened? So having high humidity in my area is not really good for my succulents. But what can I do? I cannot do anything about the humidity that we have here. It's part of nature. So I will just take good care of what I have right now. Because I don't have, oh, there are offsets and there are lots of dried leaves. So I'll be removing the dried leaves or clean up this spot later. But for the meantime, I need to spray alcohol on the middle part. And we have our oviporum, which is very dehydrated. Look how wrinkled the leaves are. We have our Tetrina, and look how pretty is our Moonbeam. Then we have our Murasaki two pots. We have our Blood Moon. Yeah, it's having flowers. Another Blood Moon, but it lost its colors like grayish. Then we have our Durlu. We have our Purple Core. It's having flower. I want to remove it later. Then we have our Lawi Linceyana and our Pink Opalina. In front is we have our Purple Card, Fat Beauty, Strawberry Eyes. This one I'm not so sure of the ID. This one too, so pretty. Green Strawberry Eyes. This one I think Blue Cloud. This one Pink Mountain. Another part of our Beauty Lily, and we have our Horizon. This flower, I'm going to remove it later. And we have our Gemini, having flowers too, and another pot of purple card. So this is what you can see on the first layer of our rock. So this is also part of the last batch that I have bought. And these pots that you're looking right now are already my propagation. I just put it here to fill up the empty spaces. Yeah. So I guess my video is long enough to give you an update for today. So I have updated my second stainless rock. I hope you like my sharing for today. And if you do like, please hit the like button and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. So bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. And God bless us all. Thank you so much for the support you're giving me on my channel. And see you on my next vlog. Bye bye. Happy gardening, everyone. Keep hydrated.